Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today I have a matcha frappe recipe. Before we get this video started, make sure you like, hit the bell button, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. So I'm sure you guys have seen these Starbucks cups in the grocery store, the Frappuccino ones. They have vanilla flavored as well. And this right here is a matcha powder. I got this from the grocery store for like 14 bucks. It's really the unprocessed part of green tea. But it has a lot of health benefits, so people are loving it. I'm sure you see it everywhere, all over Instagram and everything. So I'm going to take about this looks about 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to put it in the whole jar. And then after I put the top on securely, I'm going to shake it up. You can put this in a blender to blend up that matcha powder because it is it's very finely milled, but it does clump up, so you can blend it. And then I'm just going to put about another teaspoon into there and shake it up again. This is going to turn green just like the matcha frappes that they actually have at Starbucks, but this is like a great hack if you want one and you already have this Starbucks drink and you have some matcha powder, then you can do this. So after I shook it up for a while, this is what it looks like. Again, you can't put this in a blender. You can pour this in the blender with ice, get some whipped cream going on. You can do all of that. So I will link below actually a recipe that I made on my blog without using the Starbucks coffee, and it is frozen. So you can look down in the description box below for that. That's the end of the video, guys, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.